How to create Google Cloud account without credit card. 2026. In this quick video, I'll show you the honest truth about creating Google Cloud accounts without a credit card. There's an important reality you need to know first. Google Cloud does require a payment method for identity verification. You cannot create a standard billing account without any payment method. However, credit card is not your only option. Debit cards work in most regions. Bank accounts work in some countries, but if you have absolutely zero payment methods, there's a workaround. Let me show you all your options. This is the easiest solution. Google accepts debit cards for identity verification just like credit cards. Step 1. Go to Cloud Google.com. Step 2. Click Get Started for free. Step 3. Sign in with your Google account. Step 4. When asked for payment method, select debit card, not credit card. Step 5. Enter your debit card details. Google places a temporary hold of $1 to verify the card. Step 6. This dollar is released back to your account within a few days. Step 7. You now have access to Google Cloud with $300 in trial credits. BigQuery is Google's data analytics tool. The sandbox version requires no billing account at all. What you get: free queries on public datasets. No credit card, no trial limit. Step 1. Go to Console Cloud Google.com. Step 2. Click BigQuery. Step 3. Click Try BigQuery Sandbox. Step 4. You get instant access with no payment method required. Limitation: limited to querying existing public datasets. Can't store your own data. Good for learning, not production. Google Cloud Free tier includes 20+ services you can use free permanently. What you get: Compute Engine free tier, Cloud Storage free monthly allowance, BigQuery 1 TB free monthly query, AI APIs free monthly usage. Step 1. Create standard account with debit card or alternative payment method. Step 2. Use only free tier services and stay within limits. Step 3. No charges will occur. Limitation: requires billing account setup, must stay within free limits. If you don't have a physical debit card, create a virtual debit card. Services: Revolut, Wise, PrivacyCom, or others. Step 1. Sign up for virtual card service. Step 2. Fund it with real money via bank transfer. Step 3. Use the virtual card number for Google Cloud verification. Step 4. $1 temporary hold validates the card. This works because Google accepts virtual debit cards just like physical ones. Identity verification: Google needs to verify you're real and not a bot. Fraud prevention. Eliminates fake accounts used for scams. Account recovery: if you lose access, a payment method helps restore it. Billing: if you exceed free limits, Google protects itself. Google does not auto-charge you on free trial without permission. They need explicit upgrade to paid account first. Google does not charge the $1 verification hold. It's released back. Google does not share your card info. Process securely through payment processors. Use $300 trial credits wisely. They expire after 12 months even if unused. Set up billing alerts. Configure alerts to notify you if you approach limits. Start on free tier only. Prove you understand usage before upgrading. Delete projects you don't use. Remove unused billing accounts to avoid accidental charges. Summary: traditional way, use debit card instead of credit card, enter payment method, get $300 credits. BigQuery Sandbox: no payment needed, query free public datasets. Learning only, free tier, standard account with debit card, use free services only, never get charged if you stay within limits. Virtual card: create virtual debit card, use for verification, budget controlled, all legitimate, all work, choose based on your needs. If this helped you create a Google Cloud account, like and subscribe. Comment below and tell me which method you used. Thanks for watching.